everyone. I am going to get this porch cleaned up. Now, I have taken most of the stuff off. I was working really hard on my screen door this week, and I had some things inside the house that needed to go next door into the smokehouse. So my son helped me clean all that up, and now I'm going to get everything cleaned up. Y'all, it's really, really nasty. From spider webs, I mean, really, y'all. When everything froze this winter, dust, pollen, mostly pollen. Pollen is really bad here. As you can see, it is a nasty mess, so I cannot wait to get it all cleaned up. I have wanted a screen door for my front porch forever, just like my grandparents had here on the old house. I have several of these doors from the house that I restored. One I use in the kitchen, and one I use as a divider on the back porch, and some extra ones stored away. Unfortunately, they were all too small for my front door at 31.5 inches, and I needed a 35.5 inch. So I bought a very inexpensive one from Lowe's. It was about a 1/2 inch too big, so because we don't have a joiner, Daddy suggested we just plane it with my hand planer. I have had this planer for a long time, and I used it when I restored the doors from the old house and also on the wormy chestnut table I built many years ago. So I held the door, and Daddy planed about a 1/4 inch off each side, and that actually worked really, really well. I was shocked at how well it fit into the opening. It was perfect. Funny enough, I had already taken the spring hinges off one of the old doors, and I had no idea they sell those new at Lowe's, but I wanted to use the old ones. The door I got these off of was yellow, so I think that it would have been on this little house that my grandparents stayed in during the cold winters when they couldn't heat the big house. Daddy has many wonderful memories of this cozy little house, and I actually remember when it was torn down. I had saved enough of the old flathead screws to use as well. And that's a little tip for anyone wanting to make something new look old. Just use flathead screws instead of Phillips head screws. I also used these little handles I've saved off the old doors here as well. I wanted to paint it black since my doors are black, and that took a while, but I just love how it turned out. I finished the screen door, cleaned up all that mess, and started on the rest of the porch, which was seriously nasty. And the only way to really get it clean is to pressure wash. So I had to get everything off. Thank goodness we are on a private road and no one can see our porch. is nice and clean. Oh, it feels so good because it gets so dirty no matter what I do throughout the year just by hand. It needs this cleaning. We're outside, we're by a creek, it's moldy. So, and the pollen has been seriously ridiculous these last few years. So, yay. I'm gonna let it dry and hopefully get some styling done. That is what I cannot wait to do. While everything was drying, I washed down all the furniture with just water and a little bit of dish soap. I was so excited to get everything back on the porch. It just feels so good when it's all clean. So I'm going to share my fresh, clean porch now, and I'll also link a blog post with photos. We have really enjoyed having the screen door open with the cool mountain breezes blowing through. And I don't know, there's just something so nostalgic about the sound of a screen door slamming. It just feels like home.